and this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually insert a video right here in the stream page. Yes, in the stream page right here. So I want to click on the announcement. We're going to scroll up, and this is where we go. Right here to where the video is. Right. So we're going to click and insert. If you notice right here, take me to search, which is up at the top is the YouTube. So I'm going to type something inside here. So we're going to say how to create. Alright, careful to type in what you want. A Venn diagram. As soon as you do that, what you can do, click right here, or you can press enter. Alright, and as I can see, several diagrams come up. You're going to click up. So this is the one that I want. I want to click on it. Notice as soon as you click on it, this is what come up. Show right here that you can actually add the video. You're going to click, and there you go. This is where you actually add the video. Right here, you can also add it in the class page as you see, but this is where you add the video from YouTube into your Google Classroom. Very important here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.